Bye-bye.
Bye.
Sunny day today. I can hear the crows around, so maybe I'll find some soon. Oh, hey, there you are. I barely left my house. Where'd you go? Hey, can you see me? One second, going over here. Yeah, just left my door, and there you are. One sec. We'll leave it right here on my sidewalk. A little one, because I don't want to step on that later. You go get that. Bye-bye. Oh, there's another. Bye. Oh, there you go. All right. Show them where the treat is. I'll see you guys later. Oh, did you see it? They're both above it now. And there's someone. And up there too. Oh. Hi. I was gonna go see your friend over here. Leave another treat over this way. Hi there. Oh. Hi guys. I'll put a treat over here. I see you. Right here. I hope they get the one at my door. Oh, it's a whole bunch. Okay guys. So they're in the trees, one further back. Well, I hope you get it. Yeah. Oh. Alright, well, at least you're getting it. They're flying all around me. Oh, there's another one. You must be looking for a treat. Alright, I'll come over here. Hi. There's another one coming. Okay, guys. Right here. A little more. A little treat for you. See you later. Yay. Okay, we got some happy friends. There's another one. Oh, there's a car coming too. Well, alright, so we was going to check it out. And how's that little guy? Yeah, he's still eating. I'm gonna eat it all before the rest can join. Well, they can ask for more. Oh, hello. All zipping by me. Okay, I'll bring a treat to you guys. So you probably finished up all the rest. Hi there. How are you? I'll leave a little treat here for you. Okay. There you go. Oh boy, is that bright. Yay! Is that good? I bet the peanuts are your favorite. Well, I'll see you later. There's a bunch of crows waiting for me. There's one just walking around, and there's like 3 up here. I think, I don't know where the 3rd one went. Oh, he's down on the ground. Right near the chickens. Oh, there's 5 of them now. They know I like to visit the chickens. Hey guys. How are you? They hop up on the fence. Hi. You guys are getting big. How are you? Oh, I wanted to look at you. You had a white spot on your wing. Look, we got a bunch of friends. I'm gonna leave kind of a bigger pile. Oh, I'm still zoomed in. You got some starling friends. Morning.
Morning.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoy. There's you. There's all these starlings. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Oh. You got a nest in there. Right in that little nook. Huh. Did he spot me? Hey, you. Okay. Since you came over, you get a treat. One sec, I'm getting them out. Okay, there we go. One treat for you. I think it's calling some friends. Yeah, be careful, I don't want to walk backwards into these puddles. Ugh. Well, I think they'll get it eventually. Either that or the starlings will. Okay, I'm gonna leave a little bit at the stump. I think I hear some starlings in the tree behind me. So I guess it's for them. So a little bit. There's a couple of crows. They just showed up. I'm hoping they'll follow me across the street to the windmill. So it's a much better spot. This is a busy street. Corner of Capitol and Main. It couldn't get any busier. I see you. Come follow me. was hoping you'd come over here. One sec. I'm gonna get out of this bright sun. There's another one. I got your treat. Where'd the other one go? Still on the street light. There. Give a good little pile. So I think we got a few friends. Yeah. Well, there you go. I'll see you later. Yay. Very eager. There you are. See you later. I'm gonna go get my lunch. Cool. And that other one still sitting there. That's okay. Oh, hi there. Good timing. One second. I'm getting those treats. Okay. I'm gonna put it over here. There. Okay. Treats for you. I'll see you later. Maybe your little starling friends there will join. There's a couple up there. Well, go get it. I'll see you later. I'll go take a peek at these chickens if they're out. No, chickens still aren't out, I don't think. Nope. And our friend hasn't gotten the treat yet, but he's just sitting there looking at it. That's okay. See. Calling friends, I'm guessing. They're waiting for me. I didn't even realize there's one right there in the street and two above. I was looking for kitties. I usually find Pepe here. You having fun with that puddle there? Hi. Few more down there. Yeah, I know. One second. There, a little more. So we got a few friends. Okay. Yay. I left a pretty big pile for you guys. There's a whole bunch around. Oh, step out of the way because there's a truck coming. You're not fazed at all. Okay, well, I'll see you. There's the other one. He's like right above me. Oh, I can't see it so bright. Oh, one just flew by. Yeah, it's really bright today. Well, you followed me over, but I just fed you guys. Did they eat the pile from earlier? Yeah. Should I give you another small one? One sec. I'll give you a little one. Oh, if you want it. It could just be following. I don't know. They're all over right now. See you later. Well, I know someone's going to get it. Maybe you. Ooh. Ooh. Well, show them where it is. I left treats. Ooh. Yeah, they're everywhere this morning. I'm gonna go home and get some food myself. Oh, it's a Stiller's J. Forgot they made that incredibly loud yeeking noise. Yeek, yeek, yeek. Oh, good. They ate the treat that I left on my sidewalk. There's another one back there. Oh, like right there. And there's Velcro. What's that? That's gotta be a Stiller's J. I hear another one. Well, I'm gonna get in before they ask for more, because I need food too.